welcome to StudyGram, your academic therapy. And if you like this video, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel by pressing the bell icon. The true soldier fights not because he hates what is in front of him, but because he loves what is behind him. Hello friends, and the topic that we'll discuss today is: should military training be compulsory for all government jobs? India, the subcontinent. India is a large country with a huge population, vast topographic diversity, and a huge territorial border. As a result of these artificially created boundaries that engendered many territorial disputes and left large areas porous for a variety of irregular and illegal cross-border activities. To keep a check on the terrorist activities, we have to not only keep large armed forces to guard our borders, but also keep them modernized with the latest weaponry. Being a soldier is more than courage. It's sacrificing yourself for something greater than yourself. The shortfall. We are having a continuous shortfall of men and officers in our defense forces, which has reached an alarming level now. The Indian Army alone is short of over 7,000 officers and over 20,000 men. Likewise, the Indian Air Force has a shortage of nearly 150 officers and over 15,000 men. And the Indian Navy is short of 150 officers and nearly 15,000 men. This slide shows us the strength and shortfall in Indian armed forces. The yellow circle shows us the authorized strength and the red circle shows us the shortfall. If we consider for the officers, the yellow circle shows us it has a strength of 49,833 officers in the Indian Army, having a shortfall of 17.4%. For the Navy, the total strength is of 11,384. having a shortfall of 13.3%, which is 1,518. Similarly, for the Air Force, the total strength is of 12,244. Shortfall is only of 29, that is 12.2%. As per the Parliamentary Committee, in order to make for the shortage of staff in the armed forces, the Parliamentary Standing Committee has recommended compulsory military services for aspirants of government jobs. All those who want a cushy government job, either with state or central governments, may have to put in a compulsory 5 years with the armed forces to make up for the shortage of personnel in the armed forces. The central government alone has about 30 lakh employees with the Indian Railways, while the state governments employ about another 2 crore people. Compulsory military service for those who want a subsequent employment with the government is being considered by the Department of Personnel and Training, a wing of government that reports to the Prime Minister. The wing is tasked with administering and making policy for all government servants. The proposal to make military service compulsory for future government servants was moved by the Ministry of Defence as an emergency measure to fill the shortfall in the armed forces. This will create a win-win situation for both. It will cater to fulfilling all the vacancies of defence forces, and in turn, it will also give the government officials a wider exposure for overall personality development, enabling them with leadership traits, having a better understanding of defense forces and the role they play in guarding our borders. Also, developing understanding of security requirements of our country. The final call. On completion of their 5 years contractual service, they may be given an option of extending their contract with the armed forces, giving them a permanent commission, or relieving them for the government job tenure, depending on the individual's personal choice. There are many such examples. Garma Yadav, who once won the title of India's Miss Charming Face 2017 in Mumbai, instead of choosing film industry and the modeling world, is now part of the Indian Army. Garma said that if you work on your weaknesses and correct them on time, then there's no one can stop you from getting selected in the SSB. Thank you friends. We hope you liked the video and it was useful. If you have any queries or concerns, you can write down in the comments box below and we'll get back to you shortly.